Good afternoon, EMBARC. Once again, it's your teacher, Mr. Collins. Today, now that we've gone over our do now about the school closings and the potential effects that might have, written down an objective and agenda, what I want us to do, I want us to start off by collecting evidence for our PowerPoints, all right? Once again, the key question for our project is, are all young people in Chicago affected by violence, all right? Now, we can have a claim, make sure that the evidence supports your claim. Now, my claim here, example claim, yes, all students in Chicago are affected by violence, all right? And my example evidence is 34 people were shot in one weekend. These are parents and family members of young Chicagoans. These events also make people scared to come out of the house, all right? Now, that's example evidence for me. So, what I want you to do, you can use the Chromebooks, you can find articles, you could also use articles that we've watched in class or used in class, and I want you to come up with 4 pieces of evidence. They can also be from your personal experience, all right? So come up with 4 pieces of evidence supporting your claim, and I want you to take 10 minutes at a voice level 0. Go. All right, class, now what I want you to do, I want you to outline your argument, all right? So I want you to restate your claim. Remember, try to have 5 sentences. Identify your first strongest argument, your second strongest piece of evidence, rather, and then I want you to come up with a rebuttal, all right? So if you recall my evidence and my claim, so my claim was yes, all young people are affected by violence, and my evidence was the 34 people being shot in one weekend, and this making people scared to come out of the house, all right? Now, a rebuttal in essence is a counter argument or something that somebody would say to debunk or refute what I have said. So my argument was yes, and this argument could be, the rebuttal would be, the violence is localized. It's taking place in certain areas of Chicago, certain areas on the west side, certain areas on the south side, and even particular areas on the north side. But it is not affecting everybody because it's very localized. All right. So that could be a rebuttal against my argument. So I want you all to well, outline your argument, and then once you feel like you have a strong argument, bring it up to me. I will sign off, and then you can begin your PowerPoint. All right. Remember, PowerPoints are due tomorrow at midnight. All right. So let's go.